Salam Nachu, once again, this is Mr. Jofel and Mr. Rolando. This will be our exercise number 2 for our SolidWorks training workshop. Next, first we will select new documents, go to part, OK. Now select front plane, sketch, line, draw the figure. Make sure the lines are, if it is vertical, make sure that there is a relation vertical. If it is horizontal, there is a relation horizontal. After drawing the sketch, give dimension in every line. This total length is 40. The back diameter is 15, so 15 divided by 2, 7.5. And the front diameter is 10. Since we are making a sketch half of the figure, so this is 5. This will be 20. Make sure always that all your entities or your sketch are in black in color, meaning that is already fully defined. As you can see in the status bar here, in the lower part of your window, as you can see it's fully defined. Next, go to features, select revolve boost base, select the axis of revolution, which is this one, and then click check. Okay, next is we make a hole here. The diameter of the hole is 8. Okay, we go to hole wizard under features, command manager tab, hole wizard. Okay, here we select the hole type, which is the hole, and then standard, we select the ISO, and then the type of hole is dowel holes. Next, select the size, diameter 8, and then here blind condition, the distance will be 22, and you select this deep up to shoulder. Okay, after that, go position, select the face where to put the hole, and it will appear the origin. Select the center of the origin, the triad, and then select check. As you can see, we have hole already. If you want to show it by section view, you can also select here section view, and here you can select either front plane, either top plane, or either in right plane, but it's better on front plane or top plane. Then click check. So as you can see, we already created the hole. Then uncheck here the section view. Deselect. Next is we need to create the hole for the thread. The hole that the M4 by 0.70 pitch normal course in C. So from the center front plane, you can see front plane, sketch, normal to, and then draw the circle, smart dimension, diameter is M4, how to get the diameter? 4 minus 0.7 is 3.3. And then escape. Make sure this center of the circle and the origin is aligned by clicking the center point of the circle and click control and then select the origin make it horizontal relation. Check. So then smart dimension from the circle to the edge here must be 5. Okay, now our sketch already fully defined. Next is go to features, extruded cut. Instead of line, you will use up to surface, and then reverse direction, select this surface, and then click check. Okay, next we make the thread. Go again to front plane, right click, front plane under here in the command manager tree, front plane, right click, sketch, normal 2, and then this time we need to use another command here, convert entities. As you can see, our last command here in the design manager tree is the cut extrude 1. You click this arrow so that it will break down the procedure or the operation. As you can see, under that is the sketch. So click that sketch. Sorry, click the convert entities. It will go to these parameters maybe. Again, we will select sketch first and then select convert entities. As you can see, the circle sketch or entities are being copied here on this plane, on the front plane. Next, go to features, curve, helix, and spiral. Here you must select height and pitch, defined by height and pitch. The height must be no matter as long as it's extended, maybe 20, and the pitch is 0.7. Or we can reduce the height maybe around 10. This is possible also. And then starting angle, we'll use 0. Then check. Okay, now here is our helix and spiral. So we will hide first this body. Click this zoom to fit. Again, I show again the body. This is our starting angle, 0. So we need to make another plane here in order to draw the triangle for our thread, for the cut, for the sweep cut. So we need to find a plane that is parallel to the starting angle, which is 0. So in this case, the parallel is the top plane. Click top plane, go to reference geometry, plane, and then select the starting angle 0, this one, and then click check. And then click this line, sketch normal 2, and then draw the triangle. Here, under sketch command, tab, polygon, the parameters here we change into 3, and then we draw here triangle. Escape, press escape, press this line, make it vertical, smart dimension. This line and this point must be 0.7 times 0.613. That will be 0.43. And then click check. Now click this point here, press Ctrl and select this first curve of your helix, then pierce, then click check. Okay, this is our profile now. for the sweep cut. So exit sketch here, go to sweep cut, select the, here in the parameters, you need to select first the profile. The next here will be our path, then select the path, and then select check. As you can see, we find already our thread here inside. And next, we need to chamfer it by 1. Chamfer, select the edges to be chamfer. The distance is already 1. So this one, okay. And that's all, and then click check. Okay. If you right click this one, we need to hide it. Also this one, right click hide. Select, right click hide. So this is our object already. Thank you very much. This is exercise number 2 for our SolidWorks training.